President Obama is also expected to go to Agra. The Agra administration is coordinating closely with American security agencies and putting in place unprecedented security arrangements for his visit to the Taj Mahal. On this visit, about 100 American security personnel and 5,000 Indian security forces will provide a protective cover.
अमेरिका के माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्री बराक ओबामा साहब का जो यहाँ आने का कार्यक्रम संभावित हो रहा है, उसी के संबंध में एक सुरक्षा का उसके विषय पे चर्चा हुई है और जो बाकी कोऑर्डिनेटिंग डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं स्थानीय स्तर पर, उनकी एक कोऑर्डिनेशन मीटिंग थी जो आयुक्त आगरा द्वारा बुलाई गई थी। उसी में उनके दौरे को लेकर कुछ चर्चाएं हुई हैं और सुरक्षा का कुछ योजनाएं तैयार की गई हैं। फोर्स भी लगेगा, बाहर से फोर्स होगा, यहाँ का भी फोर्स लगेगा, पर्याप्त सुरक्षा प्रबंध किए जाएंगे, कड़ी सुरक्षा प्रदान की जाएगी।
अधिवक्ताओं ने जो कहा है कि बराक ओबामा का वो घेराव करेंगे,
मेरे पास इस तरह की कोई सूचना नहीं है, मीडिया में इस तरह की खबरें हैं, लेकिन वो किसी को भी कानून के विपरीत कोई काम करने की अनुमति नहीं दी जाएगी।
Right, we'll of course keep tracking those arrangements. For now, Neha Masih joins us from Agra for more. Neha, we've heard about the additional deployment of security forces over there. The Taj Mahal has always been on the itinerary. It's a sort of a bucket list item, so to speak, on many foreign dignitaries' travel lists. So, not something that Agra necessarily is unused to.
Absolutely, Maya. Agra has seen many VVIPs earlier as well, including American presidents. Bill Clinton, of course, visited it as well on his India trip. So Agra's preparing yet again for another precedent, except that this time the arrangements are definitely one notch higher, according to what the locals and the administration here say. Now, we have already reported on the details of the security arrangements that are being made. And I'm standing outside the Amar Vilas, which is where the administration has made arrangements for him in case he wants to stop by to rest or for a short meal, because he is coming to Agra post lunch. So after that, he is slated to either fly to JP Palace, which has a helipad, in his chopper from the defense airport at Agra, or take the route. And on the way, he has the option of stopping here if he wants to, and he would be at the presidential suite, which was also used by Parvez Musharraf when he came here. And this road behind me, of course, leads up to the VVIP gate at the Taj, where in fact this time what we are hearing is that the barricades outside the gate will maybe removed so that his car can actually go inside the forecourt. This has never happened before and will be a first. President Clinton and Parvez Musharraf both used the battery buses which are used to ferry passengers from the main parking lot to the Taj, because there are no cars allowed near the Taj premises. But this will be a first for President Obama, and of course all the roads leading up to the Taj will be sealed. The administration till now has maintained that the Taj itself will not be shut for the tourists the entire day, but definitely for the few hours that he is coming in, and prior to his arrival actually. So definitely a huge security which is being put in place, and more arrangements are underway with the civic administration now getting into action as well. All the roads around this area, the pavements are being lined, and everything is being readied for President Obama.
Right. Neha, thanks very much for joining us with all those details.